Are you sad about your last window cut?
Yeah. No. And hopefully they can, hopefully we can order them with all of them in there, because no, my arm is a little sore.
Oh. Good morning, everybody. As you can hear, Bob is in the process of creating the pattern on the window for the van. We cut out 2 windows yesterday, and today we're hoping to finish all of them. So hopefully that is the case. The windows are really super easy once you have a system down and things are all ready to roll. The only glitch that we had yesterday was the actual primer itself was all gelatinous and really goopy, and it's supposed to be very liquid-like, and so that was kind of a discouragement when we were putting that on. And hopefully there's no window leaks. We haven't tested that out and won't test that out for a couple days, so keep your fingers crossed. The jar that we are using today, we shook it and it appears to be all fluid, so that's a bonus, and you can get 2 windows done with one of the little containers of that primer. So we are back at it this morning and we are starting the window cutout again. This is going super fast.
Yeah, it goes good. I mean, it's not that hard, really.
Geez, you've only been working on it for half an hour.
It's like sometimes you gotta slow your mind down, because you're like, you don't want to drill, like if you're just daydreaming a little bit. I mean, it's not gonna happen, but you know, you don't want to be going the wrong spot or whatever. But yeah, once you have all your tools out, and it's first good having the van holding everything. It's like a storage shed, so it's good that we didn't sell the van yet, because it would be a bigger pain for sure. But
so 2 of the windows are currently cut on the exterior and the framing needs to be done. I'm inside finishing up the video for today, and so I will help Bob when the frame needs to be cut out on the interior. So back at it. That's it. 2 windows done.
2 more to go. Except for we had to put the windows in first, I guess. 2 big holes. Goes pretty easy. The only thing we might be short of is the primer. So, but we'll see.
Why am I always the finisher person? The detail worker?
Because you're not the starter
the
person.
The grunt worker?
So. Why are you the first person?
This stuff actually was liquid, and so there was no clumping, so should have no concerns with this stuff whatsoever. And now we are gonna caulk. Sneak by ya. So just cleaning the exterior of the window off in order to put these glass suction cups on here so we can lift this easily. Both of them are on now, and this will be the easiest way to lift and hold and place the window up into the cutout of the van. So I don't have enough hands to hold the windows and no pockets in my shorts, so I have to put spacers in underneath, so you just stuff them in your mouth. 4 windows done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 done. So just 2 more to go, and we've been working on it since 8 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock, so the back 2 windows will be done, given we have enough of that primer left that's not all gooped up. So we are keeping at it. Window number 5. Cut out, ready to prepare.
Just that one left. Hopefully we have enough primer, but we will see.
So this is a new window for us. It's a vented window. We haven't had any of these in our previous builds. However, our son Aaron put one into his, and his was an awning. Ours is going to be a slide. And we are actually putting that one in this window location here, because this is where the bathroom is going to be located. It'll be nice to have extra ventilation there, just to get a good pull through of the air. All right, that window's in.
And the good news is we have enough primer to do that one. So we
Wow, that's yeah, close call with the bad primer that they sent us, but it all worked out.
It wasn't so much what they sent, I think it expired. They just don't send it in a very good thing, so they expect you to do it right away.
Gotcha.
We waited, 20 days or whatever.
Gotcha.
I mean, it's still, it's okay. I don't think it's not totally their fault. This one is awesome.
I like that. I'm gonna like that.
That is gonna be awesome.
Be nice to have that open at night.
Yes.
Get some good draw through. Even though our fan works really well, this will just add a little bit more to it.
And it has like water. So if water gets in there in the back there, then it drains out this bottom, which
Cool.
is pretty cool, yeah.
On to the last window.
Oh,
That one right there.
And
And
then-
it's only 12 o'clock.
and the next van we build is going to have windows in it from the factory. Because this one we didn't order, we took somebody else's order, so hopefully this is the last window we do. Even though they're not hard, they're still nerve-wracking because you don't want them to leak.
Last window to be punched
Yes.
forever, right?
Maybe, yeah. Because the next order should have all windows, so.
Are you sad about your last window cut?
Yeah. No, and hopefully they can. Hopefully we can order them with all of them in there. Because no, my arm is a little sore.
Oh.
But on Aaron's and Alex's, we did what 12.
Yeah.
So we only
Suck
did
it up, Buttercup. This has
6,
only been 6.
half. But we're done.
Nice work.
All right. That was good.
That's it for today's project, don't you think? Man, it's only
We
1
have-
o'clock.
We have the roof vent. to put
Oh, we can do that tomorrow. We haven't even eaten yet.
Tomorrow it's noon.
See, this is how Bob rolls. There's no food, there's no stopping. I just got to eat along the way.
That's right. Just
Fend for
pretzels.
yourself.
Yes.
All right,
Good
guys.
project.
Thanks for watching today's video on how to install all the windows in our new van. And
I don't know if it's a how-to, but
Well,
Maybe.
I would call it how do Bob and Gay install
It's
windows.
true. We've
in the
had
new van.
pretty good success. So, but
My gosh, we've done 28 windows.
something like that.
26. I don't
A
know,
lot.
but we had one failure on all of those. So
True.
that's it for today's videos. Thanks for watching on building a van in the desert.
A lot more to come.
Have a great day.
We should have one of these.